Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Evangelina's Craft. For today, I just wanted to share with you a happy order mail that I'm going to send to a good friend who has ordered some Christmas bows and regular bows for any other occasion. And I just wanted to share with you what I have done. So she wanted me to make small bows, medium bows, and large bows. So these are the small bows that I have made there. And these are Christmas bows. Okay. And I'm going to share you the die cut I use for that. So those are the small bows that I made for her. Okay. And this is another Christmas bow, and another Christmas bow, and then another one over here. So pretty. So okay, so this is 6 of them. I got 6 of that bow, and then I got 6 of the small regular bows. Okay, those are the ones that I made. So pretty. So cute. Okay, there. Alright, and I'm just gonna place that there. Those are the 6 pieces. And the die cut I use for that one is this one. These are the die cuts that I use for all the bows I made. I'm gonna show you. And these are the die cuts. The big ones are this die cut and that die cut. And this is the medium one. Okay. And this is the small bow. I mean, here's another. This is the smallest bow. This one. Okay. This one is not that small and not that big. But these are the die cuts that I used on making the bows. I will share the link. I got this from Ali at Alina Cuddle Store. Okay. So those are the bows I made. So, and then I made the large ones. These are the large bows that I made. The large ones. And I think this is the large one also. Let me just show you the designs that I make. They are so... I made 6 of this. 6 for Christmas again. That's for Christmas. And here's another big for the Christmas. There, that's Christmas. And I made here another Christmas. So pretty. I just enjoyed making them. And what else? I have to have... She asked me to make 6 Christmas and 6 regular for the large one, okay? So where are my other Christmas here? Oh, here. There. So that's 5. And another one here. And that's 6. 6 for Christmas, okay? And for the regular ones, these are the regular days that I made for her too. And this is another regular one, bow, and this one too. 2, 4, and there's another one large. It's so pretty. Alright, and then for the medium size, I also made 6 of them. So that's one there. And I use cabochons to use as my design on the bows. Okay. And I got more here. also this one I made, and this one I made too, and this one also, yeah, and this one, and look at this one. It's a piggy. I really adore this one. Now let me just show you a quick way to do the bow. So these are my die cuts. Now what I did is I let me just I cut this one over here. I took out the raffles. Okay, let me just, I can't, okay, I took out the raffles there. Just cut that out there. Smoke. And then cut that one. You can either make it as is, like this one. I didn't put any background on it, or you can put a pattern design on the bow. There, just cut that there. She ordered this for me because she is loving my bow so much. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick this on here. See, it's gonna make a lovely bow, and I might as well also do this one too. Just take out those ruffles. There. And we'll stick them on here. I'll stick them on there, and that's how it is. And then we're gonna get our glue. This is just a quick thing. Glue that together. I hope you're seeing it, guys. Just glue that one there, and glue that one here, there. There. And then glue also this one. This one here. There. Just align it that way. There. Okay. Now let it dry for a moment. And then once that's done, I hope it sticks well. There. Just let's. I don't know if my glue. The thing is, if you used glue on glittered paper, it's really not that, it doesn't stick that well, not unless you press it and, you know, let it dry. Okay, and then you start to curl your bow this way. Yeah, curl it this way. There. Well, this is just a I'm just doing this so that the glue will stick to the paper, to the glitter paper. Okay, and then you're gonna use a glue here, put some glue there, and then just stick that there. There. I hope you can see it, guys. There. And then, see, it doesn't wanna stay that much. And then put another glue here. But this is just a quick tutorial, just to show you how I did these things. Okay, and then stick that there, pinch it. Okay, and then we're gonna glue this one here, and then glue this one here. There, just press it for a while. Press that thing. And now you can put some design, use a cabochon or anything you like. I prefer to use this white rose. There, just put that there. And then let's press it again. Okay, so there you are. There is your beautiful bow. Christmas bow. And then you just put double adhesive here so that the recipient or whoever orders bows from you can just easily attach it, like this one that I made over here, like this one over here, like that one, and I put a adhesive on there. Okay, and also I these bows over here, you can also make it into a magnet holder, a ref magnet holder. So this one bow here, which is this one, I put a magnet holder at the back, so that, and I use this, I got this from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna show you that you can attach it to here. See, there, see, so you can use it as a ref magnet holder or a magnet holder. You can also put that there. So that's all for today, guys. I just wanted to share you a happy order mail that I'm gonna send out to a good friend who has ordered me all these bows, and she asked me to make for her. So until my next video, thank you for watching. Have a safe day, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.